Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes in iOS 27. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically fixing a disabled App Store and iTunes account usually requires clearing up a bill issue or resetting your account. So guys, you have to simply clear up a billing issue or resetting your account, and after this your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply open your sport app on your device, and then you have to scroll it below and then go to Apple account from here, and then scroll it below and tap on disabled Apple account. Simply tap on this and then tap on Apple account disabled, and now you have to simply wait for some time, and after this you have to simply tap on unlock your account and tap on get started from here. So guys, you have to simply tap on get started, and after this you have to simply follow the instructions, and then your account will be unlocked if it is disabled. So guys, you have to simply follow the instructions and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team from here for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.